Hello and welcome. My name is Nyasha and today I will teach you how to use AE gas stove. So this is our 50 by 50 with a top glass cover, and it consists of 4 plates, gas stoves, and these are our knobs. Then this is the oven. Our stoves comes with pipes and a lighter. In order to use our gas stove, you will need a 5 kg tank or above when you're using a 4 plate. Then we have 2 types of regulators. We have this one, the bull nose type, and the other one, the swivel. You will also need a pipe, but our stoves comes with the pipes. The pipes comes with the hose clips here. How to connect the stove? Connect the pipe and the regulator like this. Make sure you tighten this hose clip to avoid gas leakage. And this will go to the back of the stove. From the regulator, you need to connect this end of the pipe to the back of the stove here. Make sure you tighten the hose clip. After connecting the stove, let's see how you are able to use the top plates and the oven. Our 4 plate gas stove has 6 knobs. These are for the left plates and these are for the right plates. And these 2 are for the oven, the grill and the bake. This one for the back and this one for the front. Same applies to this. This one is the back plate and this one is the front plate. And these 2 are for the oven. This one is for the grill and this one is for the bake. I am going to switch on the left front plate. So I will go on the second knob here. I press inside to allow gas flow and turn into an anti-clockwise direction slowly until I see the flame. Okay, like this. Let's see on how you can use the oven. Our oven consists of 2 elements, the upper element, which is the grill, and the down element, which is the bake. If you want to switch on the grill, you go on the knob here, it's clearly stated. Then you press in, turn in an anti-clockwise direction, then go on the hose here, like this. Then if you want to use the down element, you go on this knob here, turn the gas, then it will light up. Please note, when cleaning or cooking, avoid spillovers as this will block the jet inside here that allows gas flow. If you're not using the stove, please turn off the gas valve to avoid any gas leakages. As a local manufacturer, AE Electrical is a corporate member of the World Energy Council. Thank you for supporting us and thank you for choosing our brand.